Welcome. Today we're diving into an important topic, skin cancer. Did you know that skin cancer is the most common type of cancer in the United States? It affects millions each year, making awareness crucial. Early signs include changes in moles, such as size, shape, or color, and new growths on the skin. If you notice anything unusual, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis. Treatment options vary, ranging from topical medications to surgical procedures, depending on the type and stage of cancer. To protect yourself, remember to wear sunscreen, seek shade, and regularly check your skin. Thank you for joining us today.
Okay, let's go.